Hey everyone, Mr. Tass here with another SIMREX review for you. This is a helicopter, the X40 helicopter by SIMREX, ages 14 plus. Make sure to hit that like, subscribe button. I appreciate it. Also leave a comment. Let me know if you have any questions. But again, this is the SIMREX X40 helicopter. I've been reviewing some drones. This is a helicopter type drone. We'll see what it's got for us. But remote control helicopter for kids, 2-speed mode, 20 minutes of flight, high altitude. You can see right now it's $35.99 and there's a 15% coupon code you can take advantage of. Has the latest gyroscope technology, altitude hold and stable signal, long lasting, 2 batteries. So it might come with 2 batteries in there, 6-axis gyro system, optimal safing. Pretty much fly this indoors is the suggestion. So that's what's going on the Amazon site. You can see also the images and the video to the right if you don't want to watch what I'm doing. But let's go ahead and get into the box and see what we've got here. So we're going to turn off the website. And here we go. The SIMREX X40 Helicopter. Simulation of remote control. Different box than their standard white. You can see here. Gyro automatic stabilization system, 2.4 gigahertz, 3-channel, high capacity lithium battery, positional height, and modular battery. And then QR code, different things that way. So we can go ahead and open up the side of the box here. Inside, what do we get? Boom. All right, nothing else in the box. There's nothing up my hands on my sleeve. So you get a little manual for the X40. It's like a couple pages with the control, how to use it, where to put the battery. That's great. Thanks for playing. A little card there. Now, most SIMREX items come with at least a 12-month warranty. So I think we'll have that card in here. So I took off the top lid. Here's the helicopter itself. You can see it's a decent size with the dual blades there. Not heavy at all, which I guess you wouldn't expect it to be. And it looks like the battery will go in the front here. Pop that open and you slide your battery in to the front. And then you've got the little stabilization on the back. Set in right there. Here we have our controller. We'll need some batteries to go in there to run it. We can do it up, down, so the stabilization and the adjustments. You've also got 2 batteries here. If I could get into the batteries. There we go. Batteries feel small compared to some of the other ones, but maybe because it's lithium ion. You can see the little adapter there. It'll slide in and charge. I'll just get a little closer here. Come on, camera. There you go. All right, what else we got? We have a replacement set of blades and the USB charger and a screwdriver, which maybe that's for the blade replacement. Oh my god. So we'll need this USB charger to charge up our guy here. And yes, as I said, you do get a 12-month warranty and a little customer service card. Those are all well and good. This is going to need some batteries if we want to fly it. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we've got here. AAA batteries are the standard for the day. 1. Sorry for the language. 2. And 3rd one's hiding out over here. There we go. All right, 3 AAAs installed, ready to go. Let's close you up. Red Solo Cup. I close you up. I'm going to set this to the side. And we're going to pop one of the batteries into this bad boy and see what happens. So you can see in there, I don't know if you can see all the way down in the little connector. Looks like it goes in this way. Let me just see if I can, well, it will slide in that way, but it won't actually connect. So put it in, bam, connected. That's good there. Flip the little on switch on the back. Gives you a little LED. on the back of the copter. Flip that on. Forward, up and down. Oh, this is a lot quieter than the drones. Maybe not quite as quiet as the drones. Easier to fly than the drones, though. Unless you drop it off the table. So she works quick out of the box. You're ready to go. I'm going to do some more video with actually using it and flying it around where you can actually see it flying around. And I'll get back and then we'll have a little talk about it. Thanks. Okay, so this is going to be the test flight and recordings for the SIMREX X40. You can see the helicopter there. Controller, this one doesn't have any cameras, so it's just going to be this video of me flying it around the room. So I've turned that on. We're going to set it right there. Turn this on. And then it's on. And up it goes. So, pretty stable. I haven't done any kind of trims or adjustments to it yet. You can see it's holding stable. That's up and down. You can turn it around, back, forward. You can also rotate it there. So this only goes up and down here. This does not turn left or right. You only turn left or right here and forward. So it's actually very simple and easy to control. And you can adjust, like right now it's drifting. Oh, that's a quick land. Okay. So this button here is to land or to take off. Or maybe not. Maybe it's just to land. Maybe that cuts it out. Okay, there we go. Let's bring it over here. Slide over to the camera here. So yeah, it flies very easy. Not like super fast, particularly with the turning. Forward, fly backwards. You can land. Take off again. Noise-wise, it's not nearly as noisy as a normal drone. Let's see if we can go fly through this door. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Nope. Back away. Back away. Now, obviously not as much maneuverability as a drone because you can't just go sideways with it. But it's fun to fly. And now I'm going to just let this fly and see how long the battery lasts. And I'll time-lapse the video forward and then let you know how long a single charge battery lasts. Woo! Oh! That was a hard hit. Can take a hit and keep flying, though. Woo! Woo! Too far. Alright, that's what I got on the battery. So good little bit of flying time. You can see it's blinking red there. Nice little helicopter. And for the price, if you're looking for one, SIMREX X40, give it a go. Till next video. Thanks.